Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mini muffins. First, gather all your ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and milk, ensuring everything is ready. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your oven is at the perfect temperature when the batter is ready. Finally, prepare your mini muffin tin by lining it or using a non-stick spray. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by combining all your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Then, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. Finally, fill each mini muffin cup about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, imagine baking these delicious mini muffins while listening to your favorite tunes. The Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with music. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's baking time. Place your mini muffin tin into the preheated oven. Bake them for 10 to 15 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the tin for a few minutes before moving them to a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.